Join us March 11th, 2023 for our annual virtual event for women. This conference this year is called
Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
And we're focusing on how plants powerfully support women in breast health, heart health, mental health, gut health, and under the hood health.
And after each presentation, Jane and I are going to do a demo.
Numerous demos about how those presenters' foods and ideas can be cooked as recipes in the kitchen. So all in all, we are offering 6 presentations, at least 15 demos together. And after each demo, we'll also have a dance break of sorts. With this conference, you will be offered 7 CEUs for RNs, for nurse practitioners, and for registered dietitians. So if you're interested in registering, click on the link on my website, janeesselstyn.com.
Don't miss this.
And if you do, by any chance, miss it or can't join us virtually on March 11th, this link will be available to you if you've registered for 2 weeks until March 16th-ish. Okay, hope to see you there.